Okay, so what need to do? First of all, yes, we need to remove this and this to see if the gears in neutral position. Here, this is the neutral position. You can, if it will like this, need to put it on the middle. Middle is the neutral. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to do calibration and we need to change position of the sensor. Or this, I don't know. Let's start with this one. Usually it helps much more, okay? So how to do it? I'm walking alone. For example, I have battery of the car. This is the battery connector. It's connected, okay? So I'm going and do calibration by scanner or by wire, no matter. I do calibration and it say turn ignition off, the scanner. I'm turn ignition off, or by wire, I'm turn ignition off, turn it on, and the car start to do calibration. Clutch actuator, release the clutch, gears start clicking, click, 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 click. Calibration not done successfully. You has no neutral. Okay. You don't turn ignition off. Don't. You keep it on. You keep the key in ignition on. You disconnect the battery. Disconnect. And doing this. Remove the bolts from the sensor. Hold sensor by your finger from the top that it will not jump. Remove the bolts. And now turn the sensor, for example, anti-clockwise about 3-4 millimeters. Let's like this, half of the hole. You turn it, you hold it by your finger. Hold it. And now you hold it. By one hand you hold it, by another hand you connect the battery. As you remember, ignition is on. You keep it before in on position. So I'm connect and the car start doing calibration again. Before you connect it on, need to check that is on neutral position. Check it that is on neutral position and then connect, and you will see that the car start doing calibration. It will release the clutch and start clicking. Click, 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 click. Okay, it stopped. You don't know if you have neutral or don't. You move it back. Put the bolt that the sensor will not jump. Okay, and you go. Oh, you see, it's jumped. Now it will not working. need to so I'm put the bolt that it will no jump, and you go and check if you have neutral or not. Don't have. Battery is connected, so you checked, you don't have neutral. Okay, you go back once again, you disconnect the battery and turn sensor more. Remove the bolt and turn in the sensor, for example, this position. You see? This position. And hold it. And hold the sensor. Again, you connect the battery. Oops. Before you connect the battery, you check that it's on neutral position. If not, you do in neutral position, neutral on the middle, connect the battery, and the car start do it calibration again by himself. Click, 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 click. Again, you can hold or keep it like this, and you're going to check if you have neutral or not. And if you, for example, you turn it and now you have neutral, what need to do? So if it was, you have neutral on this position, for example, on this position, it means that you need to move the butterfly. If you was moving sensor anti-clockwise, it means that the butterfly need to move clockwise, but it will not move it. You need to do like this. Just be careful. You don't have a lot attempts. You can broke it. Like this. I bend it that the position of the sensor will more this way. You see? So need to find this position. We don't know which the sensor, or this, or this, or this way, or this way. We don't know. Need to try. And need to think what the way need to bend the butterfly.